YouTube background play not working on Brave browser is not a new issue. The problem first showed up back in September 2025 and has been on and off for months now. In fact, lately, other browsers like Samsung Internet and Microsoft Edge are also getting impacted. Brave users rely on this feature specifically to avoid YouTube's premium subscription while still getting background playback. In this video, we're going to talk about the potential workarounds that have surfaced so far and can bring in some relief. One of the options to temporarily restore functionality is a quick toggle dance. Head to Brave's settings, find media under display section, turn off background play, and then turn it back on. Restart the browser. That's where it ends. Another effective solution requires switching to desktop mode temporarily. You can also try the generic troubleshooting measure of clearing cookies and cache data, which is more of a band-aid than a permanent solution. In case none of these work, you can give a shot to adding the custom filters that are currently being displayed on screen in Brave to fix the glitch. That's pretty much it. By the way, Google has confirmed that they have tweaked the platform experience to prevent non-premium users from accessing background playback when using browsers. So try these workarounds, keeping that in mind.